Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Wasimullah and welcome to my channel, that is Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. In this tutorial of Photoshop, I will show you how to use the healing brush tool. So without wasting any time, then just jump into Photoshop. Take an image as I have in my interface, this image of Kung Fu Panda. Now healing brush tool. Select an area with Alt key. As I want to heal an area, as I want to patch up an area, Alt key, click on it with your mouse, hold Alt key, and then take out from fingers from Alt key, then click on this area to patch up an area, and then click Alt key, and then take out from your fingers from your Alt key to patch up an area. So that was a quick tip. I will back with the next tutorial, but do subscribe my channel. That's what's Graphics and Architectural Designer.